I found out in the OJT program that some of the schools or even institutions accepting students who will be on the job training, they are taking advantage of the manpower that is provided by the school. If you are a computer science student working in my office, but the need is only to file documents, then your experience will not be in accordance with the requirement of your course. So that would be unfair to you because the number of hours required for you to be with us should give you the opportunity to have experience putting the theories into action. It's a dual system, theory and practice. It should be the practice of your course when you are into the OJT program. I think the SHED, DepEd, or Department of Labor and Employment, and all institutions who are into the OJT should be serious in coming up with the program that should provide the real experience for the students who are going into OJT.
Siguro, i-monitor yan ng husto ng school. Naalala ko din before when I was taking internship, I'm an engineer graduate, pero yung pinagagawa ko doon is mag-file ng document, mag-record ng mga serial number ng mga computer. I really complained to my supervisor, "Sir, I am more capable than just doing this. Trust me with the job."